Happy Sa-Thorsday, people! Welcome to Simple Senang Sedap episode 2, where my brother Nadzmi is going to share with all of you his famous banana cake recipe.
Hey guys, so it's Nadzmi, Nadira's brother, the handsome one. Now, these are the ingredients you'll be needing. 1, 2, 3, 4 bananas. Sometimes you can put 5 if you want more flavor. 1, 2, 3, 4 eggs. Oh, don't let the fourth one go away. 1 cup of sugar, 1.5 cup of flour, 1 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, baking powder, and sodium bicarbonate.
Once you have all these ingredients, put the sugar, oil, and eggs into the mixing bowl.
It was a good day, yeah. Not much to do but just lay around. Yeah, it was a good day. I'm so glad the sun stayed around.
So you got to peel the bananas and really mush them all together. Like, see, there's black spots you might not like. You just take a knife and then you just cut them off, and then you just mush them like you've never mushed anything before. Like, you just want to release your stress, release your anger on all those bananas. Just let go, man. Just let go.
Let it go. Frozen 2 is coming out real soon, people.
Then add a teaspoon of baking powder and sodium bicarbonate to the flour before we mix them all together. You have these two options between the better whisk and this white thingy. I have no idea what it's called. You take the whisk because you want the more precise tool for baking this. Turn on the mixing bowl and mix all the ingredients together. Gradually add the mushed bananas into the mixing bowl. Then add the flour. Just keep mixing it, that pong, pong, pong.
Yeah, it was a good day. I'm so glad the sun stayed around.
Next, you take your banana cake pan and butter it up. Okay, really flirt with it.
No more room to feel these blues. You and views all afternoon. Look at all the time we don't have to give up. Everything
Next, you preheat the oven to around 150 degrees for 5 minutes. And then, once you've done that, you just pour it into the pan and really give it a good shake. Make sure there's no bubbles inside. Shake it up and down, doesn't matter. And make sure you take safety precautions and use mittens to put the batter into the oven.
Nadzmi accidentally burnt these ones, as you can see here.
And then just put it into the oven. While you're waiting for your banana cake in the oven, just go around your kitchen and just clean up, because otherwise your mom will nag about it and no one wants that, right? Wait around 20-30 minutes or until you see that the cake has turned a nice golden brown. Then you just turn it around, give it a good flip, really fast, and you have your banana cake.
Bon appetit! Tell us if you tried this recipe out, and don't forget to share it with your family and friends, because food tastes better when it is shared. See you in our next episode. Bye! Happy Sa-Thorsday! Get it? It's Thursday, but Sa-Thorsday, so Sa-Thorsday.
Yes, then we all get it.
Happy weekend!